Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this on my Facebook page, and he's done a really good job. It's vector, but the inside of this is not vector. And I was just looking real quick before I get off the subject. Your letters are not true black, and you can see this black line going through them. So make sure, if you're going to engrave this, make sure you turn that to RGB black. Now, I've got this, so this is all vector files, the lines, the bottles, looks really good, but the center part is not. So we're going to nudge it out of the way. And it's pixelized, it's fuzzy, and what he wants this sign to look like this sign. So let's just start. Let's go to Bitmap. Let's go to resample. It's at 992. That's really good and high. Let's go to Bitmap, convert to Bitmap, grayscale because we've got all these different grays. Go up to trace Bitmap, outline trace, Clipart, which I use 99% of the time. And you could try the things. It's almost there. It's done. Hit OK. Your new copy should be on top. And I'm nudging it out of the way. I'm not moving it because I need to get it back to that center. So now we can ungroup it. And we're going to take that center sign and move it out of the way. Now he wants that basically black. But he wants this gray. But I'm going to suggest we just retype the words because it's pixelized. Let's start off about 8 points. Get it about the approximate deal. And you can play with the fonts. We'll make it bold. We'll even make it Arial black. Get a little bit thicker lines. Turn that gray, whatever shade of gray you want. Now let's just get rid of this other text. And I would suggest redoing all the words in the middle part. Now let's move this up. Now let's take our sign and nudge it back. And there you go. Now let's make the text a little bit bigger. And then you can nudge it back exactly where it was. Looks pretty cool. It looks a lot better. And I would clean up, some of this part, but that's another video entirely. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.